Fix that damp basement for less. We're here to help you with your damp basement problem. We have a huge selection of dehumidifiers at Forest City Surplus in stock, ready to go. Lots of different brands, top names. Here we have Whirlpool, Honeywell, Hair. Here's a Frigidaire gallery unit, Hisense, Keystone. Huge selection to choose from 25 pints going all the way up to 70 pints. Come by and see why Forest City Surplus is the king of dehumidifiers. 1712 Dundas Street in London, Ontario. fcsurplus.com.